Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to clean your wetsuits with Pow Pilau. So Pow Pilau is a biological wetsuit cleaner and conditioner, and I heard it is the best, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out today. Of course, there are a bunch of different brands out there, but I'm going to try this one out today. There have been a lot of storms recently, so we've been surfing in dirty rainwater, which is not good. So I really wanted to give our wetsuits a thorough cleaning to try and get rid of some of the bacteria and also get rid of the smell. So the first thing you want to do is get a big tub and fill it up with warm water. You can use your hose outside, but our hose does not have warm water, so I decided to use my shower. So I put the tub in my shower and then filled it up with about 5 gallons of warm water. After that, you're going to pour 2 ounces of the Pow Pilau into the bucket. So this is about 1/4 cup, so I measured it out and then poured it into the tub. After that, you can add all of your neoprene equipment. So I put in 2 of my wetsuits and a pair of booties, and you want to make sure to saturate all of the surfaces. They don't have to be completely immersed because wetsuits are very buoyant. But as long as you saturate all surfaces of the neoprene, then the Pow Pilau will do its job. So you're gonna let it sit there and soak for about 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes is up, you are going to simply air dry them. So I just decided to dry them in my shower because I don't have anywhere else to hang them and I don't want them to sit in the sun because that does ruin the wetsuit. So try to hang it in a dry, cool place away from the sun if you can. Alright, so now your wetsuit should be clean and smell-free thanks to Pow Pilau. And a big thank you to everyone who watched this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.